Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Suburban Sill. So today I have a fun little repotting video of an arrangement that I've had for quite a few years. It has a really overgrown aloe and a really cool jade plant that I want to transplant into a pot of its own. So I just thought I would do a quick little video to show you the aloe propagation and the repotting of my lovely jade. So let's check it out. So I'm just shy of about a month here since my little aloe repot, and I thought I'd do a quick update. This big one here is actually kind of rooted in pretty well, so I don't want to disrupt it. I did notice this little guy, not quite there yet, but I think I just need to water it. I think it's going to be okay. It's got a little root going, so I'm hopeful that this one will take yet. Now onto the big one that I cut. You can see it's been sitting out in the sun, so the color's changed. It's actually really pretty. Probably need to get it into a little bit more shade, but let's see what we've got here for roots. Oh, yep. Look at, got a little root going right there. That's a good sign. So it looks like I'll be able to get this giant aloe rooted again yet, which makes me happy because I wasn't quite sure how this was going to go. So that's cool. Now for my beautiful jade. I watered it the other day and it's kind of starting to get settled in, but it's still a little wobbly. But so far, so good. Haven't lost any leaves. Looks like it's getting used to its new home pretty well. So thanks for checking out this video. This little propagation repotting video. You can follow me on Instagram at SuburbanSyl. Check out my website, suburbansyl.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.